For over 70 years, strange lights over the Nevada desert have sparked endless rumors and speculation. People believed they were seeing flying saucers, alien scouts, visitors from another world. And for decades, the government refused to comment. The official stance? Area 51 didn't even exist. But now, declassified CIA documents reveal the truth behind these mysterious UFO sightings. The shocking revelation is this: the aliens weren't from another planet. The technology was born right here on Earth. The real story of Area 51 is not just about secrecy. It's about creating machines that seemed impossible. To understand the UFO legend, we must begin with the place itself, Area 51. For most of its history, Area 51 was invisible, a base that officially did not exist. Located deep in the Nevada desert, it was isolated, protected, and erased from public maps. Its true purpose? To build aircraft that could never be detected by enemy radar. During the Cold War, secrecy was a weapon. Every technological advantage could determine global power. Area 51, officially known as Homey Airport or Groom Lake, became the birthplace of the impossible. The base's isolation made it the perfect place to test classified aircraft far beyond public view. And as new machines took shape in its hangars, reports of UFOs began to soar. The world kept asking, what are they seeing out there? But the real question was, what are they building in there? The first so-called alien craft was the U-2 spy plane. At the time, commercial planes flew around 20,000 feet, military jets around 40,000. Then came the U-2, soaring above 70,000 feet, almost touching the edge of space. Pilots flying below would see it reflecting sunlight, glowing like a fiery object in the darkening sky. They reported what they saw: unidentified flying objects. Project Blue Book investigated these sightings, but already knew the truth. The U-2 flights were classified, so investigators hid them behind explanations like, weather phenomena. Thus, the first wave of UFO sightings came not from aliens, but from secret American aircraft. But soon, the U-2 was no longer enough. The Soviets were advancing. The CIA needed a machine that could outrun missiles. Speed was the new weapon. Out of the Skunk Works division came Project OX-CART, producing the A-12. This aircraft flew over Mach 3, more than 2,200 miles per hour. Forged from titanium, it could withstand heat that would destroy normal planes. Its long, black, razor-sharp silhouette looked like something from science fiction. People seeing it streak across the sky had no reference for its speed or shape. This gave rise to the era of cigar-shaped and delta-wing UFO sightings. The A-12's cousin, the SR-71 Blackbird, amplified the legend even further. These aircraft were decades ahead of known technology, appearing to the public as impossible objects. By the 1980s, a new kind of UFO sighting began: silent black triangles. These shapes hovered slowly, moved quietly, and appeared without warning. The world believed they were extraterrestrial craft. But the truth was the F-117 Nighthawk, America's first operational stealth aircraft. Its angular, flat-paneled surface made it nearly invisible to radar. Test flights were conducted at night, adding even more mystery. To witnesses, the F-117 was a perfectly silent, floating triangle in the sky. The pilots themselves lived double lives, families unaware of what they flew. Once again, advanced technology created an alien mythology. But Area 51 wasn't only used to develop American aircraft.
It was also used to test captured Soviet MiG fighter jets.
The program was called H-AVE Donut, and it analyzed enemy technology in secrecy. So imagine seeing a Soviet jet flying over Nevada during the Cold War. A sight like that would be undeniable, yet impossible to explain. This further fueled UFO reports and public suspicion. In 1989, a man came forward claiming he worked near a secret facility studying strange propulsion technology. He described gravity-defying propulsion systems and metals unlike anything seen before. His story captured the world's imagination and ignited the modern UFO conspiracy era. But investigators found no evidence of his claimed employment or education. His narrative grew larger than the truth and overshadowed real history. While his claims remain popular, they don't align with declassified documentation. The UFOs Lazar likely saw were human-made aircraft decades ahead of their time. For half a century, secrecy created a vacuum where myths took root. But the truth revealed is far more extraordinary than alien visitation. Area 51 was where human engineers built the future before the world was ready to see it. Aircraft that flew higher, faster, and quieter than anything publicly known. Machines so advanced, they became indistinguishable from science fiction. The government wasn't hiding aliens, just technology that changed the balance of world power. The UFO sightings were glimpses of classified progress. They were witnesses to breakthroughs the world wouldn't learn about for decades. The legend of Area 51 isn't about extraterrestrials at all. It's about human ambition pushed to the edge of what was thought possible. Engineers and pilots risked their lives to build machines that defied reality. Their achievements were hidden, not to deceive, but to protect. The truth is, we were the aliens in our own sky. And what we saw overhead wasn't a message from another civilization. It was a glimpse of our own future. Area 51 remains active today, its projects still shrouded in secrecy. And new sightings continue. New shapes, new speeds, new mysteries. If history teaches us anything, it's that today's UFOs may be tomorrow's public aircraft. So the real question is not, are aliens visiting us? It's, what is still being built out there in the desert right now?